Hello everyone, my name is Serge, and today I'm gonna do my second Java assignment. Um, as you can see here in my group comment, I have to answer all these questions, but by taking input from the user, and I'm gonna use the scanner to do that. And based on the answers I'm gonna get, I will have to print out a paragraph like this containing my answers. So first of all, I created a Java project that I named assignment 2, and then I have a package that I named session 2, and my class is named input from user. So to answer my questions, you can see the different statement that I have here. I used different scanners. I created 2 scanners, and the first one with my input that I named, like my variable that I named user input, is gonna capture all the data that are strings, and my second variable in my second scanner, I called it user input 2, and it's gonna capture all the data that are integer or double. So the reason of doing this, creating this scanner, is it's kind of to make an input bridge before I call my answer. Before I capture my answer, it's necessary to make this kind of bridge. And after making this bridge, you also have to make sure that you import the scanner. This is where I imported it, as you can see over here in the top of my class. I did import the scanner before I just I created before I just take the input from the user, who is basically myself. So I'm gonna try to answer all these questions by running my project. Okay, then as you can see, my first question is asking me, what is your name? My name is Serge. Enter. How old are you? I'm 35. Again, this is an integer. That's why I use the second variable, as I mentioned before. What is your gender? Say male. Where are you from? I'm from Rwanda. And next question is, where do you live now? I live in the US. Where do you work? Let's say that I work in X-Files. What is your job role? Let's say I'm a QA automation engineer. What is your salary? Let's say that I make 1000K. And as I said, this is a double. That's why on the salary variable I used the input the user input too, as I mentioned before. Next question is, how much raise are you getting next year? Again, the raise variable is also a double. Let's say that I'm gonna get a raise of 20K. So my next statement is to print out the paragraph as I mentioned before. That's my second part of my homework. Just press enter. As you can see, my paragraph is printed out right here. And the way I did it is just I tried to concatenate different strings from my paragraph with my variables. As you can see here, this is my first string, then the first variable name, age, gender, and so forth. And to get my total salary next year, I just made an addition of salary and raise. I just made a summation of these two variables to get my total salary next year. So as you can see, my project is running very well. It was successful. So I just thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.